Hey guys, welcome to Mystic Manya, the Divine Rewire. I'm your mystic friend Manya, and we're here to discuss about complex topics on your spiritual paths, take some divine guidance using tarot, and see how we can rise together. So let's see what universe wants to bring up today. The inner temple. Alright, so right off the bat, I'm getting like a lot of messages around. Some of you guys feel stuck or like you've come across a dead end. You don't know where to go from here. You've come really far. I'm seeing this. The collective has come really far. And it's like you're at a threshold. Like you're almost there. And universe is coming through to tell you that the answers that you are seeking will not come from the outside. You won't find them outside of yourself. You will have to sit with yourself and connect with yourself to get those answers. So sometimes when we're communicating with the universe or when universe is trying to get our attention, there could be songs, movies, quotes, books, person, anything that can send the message to us. And while that happens often and it's helpful, right now universe is asking you to actually go with it. And the answers that you are searching for, looking, you'll find them within yourself. So universe is urging you to tune into the portal of your heart. Maybe meditate, maybe, journal. Spend time with yourself. Yoga, dance, sing, whatever helps you, whatever helps to bring your attention back to yourself. What else? What else universe? Align your life. What is not aligned or needs to change? Absolutely. So universe is kind of urging you to go within because there are things that need to be aligned before you cross this threshold, because you're almost there. You've reached. You've reached your destination. You're almost there. But it's like there are some, you know, it's nothing big to be honest. But I feel like there are just tiny altercations, tiny, changes, alignment that you need to work upon. So that, first of all, you can see yourself clearly. Maybe some of you guys are not seeing yourself clearly. You don't understand how powerful and connected you truly are. How, when you actually connect with yourself and the universe, you can move mountains. That's what I'm hearing. There needs to be some alignment. You need to see yourself clearly. You need to see your power, your strength, your magic more clearly. And need to evaluate what needs to change, what needs to, be more aligned. Oh. So once you are done with this alignment phase, you can finally move to the creation phase. Or some of you guys are already there. or some of you guys are just, at the brink of it, because once you connect with yourself and realign your life and your image, because I feel like some of you have a very distorted image of yourself. Once you do that, everything will feel aligned and your blessings can finally rush into you. And I feel like everything will be magnetized towards you. You wouldn't have to, you know, make things happen anymore. It will all just come in. You'll co create with the universe in a way. So, the tiny step is the alignment, realigning your life, yourself. That will help you to finally co create. Anything else, universe? Yeah. Who or what is triggering you? Again, once you realign your life, you finally see yourself clearly. Here, the image is distorted. Here, the image is clear. The water is reflecting back a clear image. So, once you actually do the work, connect with yourself, and tune with yourself and the universe, once you begin on this process of co creation, you'll finally begin to see yourself clearly. And you'll see, everything, when you let go of everything that isn't aligned, and when you finally see yourself for who you are, you can very easily see things, people, places, energies that have no place in your life. Because you see yourself so clearly. You'll see, what is causing disturbance or what is not aligned with your life, your energy, your purpose, yourself. So the more you connect with yourself, the more it'll be easy for you to see what, a person, place, or thing, whatever, doesn't align with your life. And it'll be easier for you to, work on it, maybe remove it from your energy field, from your life, maybe take space, maybe block, whatever it is. It'll actually help you out. And the process of co-creation would be easier for you. But if there are going to be blocks, and it's okay. Sometimes the blocks and limitations do not come from us, but from the external environment. But we need to be aware enough to see where it is coming from, what we can do to kind of fix it. So once you're done with that, the co-creation process would be so much smoother. And universe is like, I'm there for you. I'm going to help you. I'm going to take care of everything. You just have to, actually do this work to connect. If you're going to rely on just the external environment for answers, you're never going to be able to connect with me. It's like, for example, there's a person you need an answer from. But rather than going directly to the person and asking, you'd rather check their social media or talk to other people or take, hints from anything they do, which does not even, which is nowhere near the answer, the truth, to be honest. So rather than doing all of that, just go to that damn person. Sorry. Just go to that person and kind of get your truth from the source itself. Yeah, get your truth from the source itself. Do not go here and there looking for answers when you can just directly go to the source. So yeah, that's a beautiful message for you. The universe is waiting for you to step up so that you guys can co-create and bring out things in this world that are much needed. So see yourself clearly, see what value you hold, how universe sees you, because universe loves you. Universe is waiting to help you with this creation process, co-creation process. So just do that, and all the hurdles, all the obstacles will just magically vanish from your path. And the path, you know, from where you are to where you want to go, it'll be pretty clear and direct. So yeah, that was all, collective. If you want to book a one-on-one session with me, then you can check out the description box, and there are my social like media handles and email. And yeah, that's it. Take care. Namaste.